Oh shit. Who do you think he is? Oh, he grabbed the geese? Oh, what the? Oh, who do you think he is? He grabbing geese? Who do you think he is grabbing them geese like that, y'all? Oh, nah. My split fell? Hold on. What was that noise? Oh, nah. Oh, babe, beam over here now. All these geese. All these geese. Hold on. What's going on over here? I'm rushing. What the? What you doing over here?
Oh, they mad chill. Look.
Mad chill. Come on. Let's geese. Oh, that bitch come near me. Oh, I ain't want no smoke. That's chill. You feel me? These geese chilling. We want no smoke with them. Chilling back there. Oh, why? Oh, why?
I love you, Sweezy.
All these geese. All these geese. Hold on. What's going on over here? I'm rushing.
I thought these were statues of her.
Nah, come on. I mean, that's crazy. I'm be real shit. Seeing all geese like that just chill right there. Nah, that shit is crazy. All these penthouses. I'm be real shit. All these penthouses over here. I'm be real. Oh, people. Oh snap! Ew. What type of ish? Come on. Cover his mouth for real. I'm be real with you, feel me? I don't know how I'm gonna hold these. I'm be honest. I'm bro. We got some sparklers. Try to turn that bench right there. Hear me? You turn that bench right there. And one of those benches over there. I'm good. 2.5. Okay, let's chill on this bench. We can't really chill on this bench. What's going on? Hold on. Let's keep going. Walking, I'm about to say, if you could walk on this, that'd be crazy. Man, I might put my flash on my phone. Tell me ghetto style. Everybody parking where it say no parking, so hopefully nobody get towed. I'm be real with you for me. It won't be scary, I'm be real with you. This is the furthest I go. I'm be real. Cool, a little constipated. It's okay though. It's okay, you feel me? But like I'm finna tell you, we chilling right now, we vibing. It's a little dark. I know you can't see it, but really me that well. But we outside. It's mad geese poop on the floor. I already know because I used to be practicing it for football. You feel me? If you know, you know. Alright, you feel me? You finna just walk, chill, vibe by. She getting out, getting himself. She walking in the Crocs. You feel me? Matching her shit, looking beautiful, looking sexy. Playing my boss, call up Messi. But she not playing football, soccer football like Messi. I'll go out. Alright, much love. Next on Relish Sweezy Nature Channel. The geese are near the ocean. The geese are near the river. I said ocean, but this is a river. Cuddled up together. This ocean?
This the Hudson River.
Yeah, this is a river. This is a river. This is a river. It's connected to the ocean. This is the Hudson River though. This is the river, trust me. It's connected to the ocean though. But the geese are just chilling right now. That geese, we're gonna have to go further on the water. On the river. Oh yeah, that geese out there. Oh, it's going further than the last geese. Oh, these geese are bold. I'm be right too. I mean, this how.
The other one looking like Onaito.
I mean, oh, my bad, baby. Only this right here, nice. My bad, baby. That geese all the way out there right now. I'm be right too. These geese are bold, you feel me? I'm be right too. Come on, bro.
The wind actually not bad today too. Usually it'd be mad windy in there.
So we finna go back over here. don't know. This is so ugly. I'll be real with you, feel me? So right now, it's at the other, feel me? You over here watching this right now. The water look nice. It don't look nice because you can't see through it. Be careful though, back up.
Sharks and all that. Sharks in here too.
Yeah, but money, I'm tell you. But yeah, there's really sharks though. Oh snap, babe. Oh. The water going from me.
Yeah, these are the type you gotta keep this.
Hey, why you putting up shit at me? Hold on.
It's not gonna shoot. It's just smart. That's the whole point. Yeah, the other one's gonna be
Hold on,
better. 'Cause
come.
they actually light up.
Come right here in the light real quick. Oh, that was the rain.
This one about to go out. Who is burning me?
Hold on. Oh, snap. That's crazy. No, we got poppers too.
The other one's better. We should do this tonight.
Alright, these?
They light up the colors.
Yeah, oh, these
are
don't.
regular.
Oh,
Those
alright.
light up. Sorry.
Here you go. Come. Come on.
Look at the eyes. Next time you don't want the eyes. I'm gonna record. Next time I
Yeah. I'm be real, yeah. Some sparklers. We got some these better. You feel me right here? We finna light these up real quick. I'm be real.
Oh my god.
Alright, put that one down.
Why?
Go down.
I'm not trying to have like.
No, don't have no nothing. So
Let's not go
stop
out.
on it.
Look,
Oh,
let's not do that.
alright, come on. You can't even put this.
Yeah, we're gonna do the color thing.
No worries.
And I'm gonna record a video for that.
Going out?
Yeah. But we gotta hold it and let it cool off.
Shit.
Are you okay?
Yeah, hold on. It's fine.
You want music?
Yeah, we right here.
What color you can pick this? Yeah, you know which one I'm doing.
Pink. Yeah, you doing pink?
Yeah, I'm doing pink.
I know you doing pink. That's what I said.
I'm not really putting it.
You look at that face. I said you doing pink.
I gotta put this on.
Yo, you asked me what color. You asked me what color are you picking.
What?
I said you asked me what color are you picking. You hear me?
Yeah, I like it.
Nah, you don't hear me? You asked me what color are you picking.
Yes, what color are you picking?
I said that you're picking.
Yes, I asked you what you're picking. What side you light it from?
I'm picking blue. You got pink. Hold on.
How you know what side to light it from?
My baby.
I guess this is how you hold it, obviously, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Wait, hopefully. Hold on, let's see the box. God forbid. That doesn't say. Rainbow stick. I would assume you holding it with the print. Unless I doubt.
Yeah, we're like that.
this.
No, like this.
There's no way.
It's like
Gotta
this.
be like this.
Yeah, like that.
Alright, yeah, you know. I might have to do it from inside. See where this one goes.
They nosy? Why y'all so nosy?
Alright, don't start that. I don't be her fool by herself. If she laughing to her, I don't know if we do it like this.
Oh yeah, you do. We do, baby. We do.
Right now, then let's sparkle like a bird.
Oh shit! That shit was coming. You feel me? Alright, say no more. Alright, put it like these.
Hold on. It's dangerous.
Babe, point it that way. Babe, point it that way.
Okay.
Alright, point it that way. Oh, why? Oh. Babe, point this way. So, a flare would be like this, basically. Oh, snap. Point this way. Oh, snap. Snap.
You looking all scared?
For me? Cause it's
Nah, the way that just shot out. That's
not word. They ain't playing no game.
Oh, this thing got a wrong camera.
That shoot a weirdo. Is in the sky? Yeah, but over here it'd be crazy.
I was burning the Nah, the way that shot out, that's insane. Hold on.
Oh. Yeah, that was crazy on B-Road just now. There's another one. Oh, that was crazy.
That was good. That was literally, yeah.
I mean, I'm B-Road. This time we gonna have to hold it. We can't do two.
Alright, do one.
Because, and point it up.
I record like face first, but that joke too.
What you mean face?
sparkly,
Nah,
yeah.
I'm B,
To be putting it all there, my face trying to look cute. Nah, I'm trying to burn my hair.
Oh, yeah, for me.
I'm a person.
Alright, you got yours.
I'm about to do it.
Hold on, let me go.
Oh, stop. Oh my gosh.
Babe, beam over here, not towards the grass. Throw it from the grass. Oh, snap. Yeah, it's definitely raining.
It's time to make it go out.
Hold on.
What are you doing?
Oh, you want that?
No.
Are you sure? Alright. Yeah. That's it. I'm about to clean up, y'all. Hold on. Gotta get everything. Hold on. Okay. Oh, like I said. Alright, so we shouldn't be out. It's raining.
It's at 11.
So what time is it, my wife?
11 or 7.
Alright, so we cleaning up right now. Putting all the used ones back in the one. Feel me? Oh, snap. I mean, they were in the deep. Hold on. Hold on. They were in the deep. Hold on, girl. So beautiful. You love the sparklers, right? Next thing you know, we gotta get Roman candles. I'm the road you. We gotta get Roman candles next time, I'll be real.
That should be better now. Yeah, everybody. Look.
What the? What you doing over here?
Oh, they mad chill. Look.
Nah, chill. Come on. Let's geese. Oh, that bit coming in. Oh, I ain't want no smoke. That's it's chill. You feel me? These geese chilling. We want no smoke with them. Chilling back there. Oh, why? Feel me, babe? He. That geese knew your aura when they walk past you. Feel me?
Why? Yeah, why stare at me in my eyes like that?
Yeah, looked at you, they looked at me, you feel me? But I was like, you feel me? they doing. You feel me? Nobody care about the rain. You feel me? But it's drizzling. But yeah, feel me? Again, not working. Every day we grinding. Ugly, yeah. Feel me? We cleaned up. We got all the used ones right here in the first one. There's some more right here. And we got some more pops. Feel me? I know about the pops. You throw them on the ground. Right now it's raining. We had a little good time. If we finna get some food, I'm finna make something to please my love, you feel me? Make sure she's straight. Truthfully, you feel me? Son, see this, y'all?
It's raining hard.
The city, you feel me? I know.
No, it's really raining.
It's about to rain.
No, it's already raining.
You sure you want the shirt?
By the water.
That's what I'm saying. You sure you want the shirt?
I'm good.
Alright, much love, y'all. I'm gonna try to get back to the car. We finna get some food. It's only 11. Feel me? Right now. Like, comment, and subscribe. Was that a piece of poop? I know, bro, what? These geese, no, I stepped over it. I'm trying to tell you, these geese. I was playing football in forward practice. Forward practice with geese poop around everywhere. I'm being real true, you feel me? I just sense it. I stepped past that. Look at them geese right there. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, he bold. He walking through the geese like that? Oh, he walking through the geese like that? Who do you think he is? Oh, he grabbed the geese? Oh, what the? Oh, who do you think he is? He grabbing geese? Who do you think he is grabbing them geese like that, y'all? You feel me? You gonna be acting crazy? Oh, no. My split fell? Hold on. What was that noise? Oh, no. I'm about to say.
You almost killed me.
Who?
You, I'm recording you the whole time. It's really raining. You can see on my skin.
That's definitely raining.
Yeah. But it's still good, okay? People still outside chilling.
Nah, word. I'm doing what you feel me. These geese though, that nigga try to grab it by his neck. I ain't seen nothing like that. Yo, he really try to grab the geese by his neck. Yo.
Why?
Yo.
Standing there?
It's chilling. He said, come here, geese. Try to grab him. He tried to geese snap him. Look at these geese chilling. You feel me? Yo, that guy really tried to run up on the geese and grab him. And the geese, he couldn't even get him. Like, come on now. Feel me? Geese mess him up and jump him in there. Feel me? We not helping him. You laughing? Everybody go, look, you see his homies looked at him when we did it? That's messed up. Feel me? Hold on. Because them geese don't play no games. Alright, feel me? Hold on, yeah, it's raining heavily now. Look at the water though. Look at man, beautiful. Beautiful, sexy. My boss call it messy. You're not talking football, soccer? Messy?
I'm not gonna say that.
Alright, what?
Nah, don't say alright.
What?
Watch your ball.
Oh, it's raining. OD. Alright, yeah, much love. Look at it.